You guys are always asking me, Megan, how do you get those great cover photos? The color pop that I do ends up looking like this, and this, and I'm gonna show you today how I make that happen. First of all, how do I photograph it? Well, I love to photograph with one big soft box looking like a wall of light, and it bounces into my reflector so my client is surrounded with beauty light. Then of course, I need to light my background. So I choose 2 umbrellas like that. Why am I using a white background in the first place? It's because I like the clean light and to be able to change the colors. So let's take it into Photoshop and I'll show you more. You can see that this here is my original image. I basically just gave my hair some more wind, I smoothed out the clothing, and I did a little something with whatever was going on with my neck there. So this is what I'm gonna show you today, how to make a background like this and how to make a background like this. And it is shockingly easy, so hang with me. The first thing I need to do is I need to remove me from the background. So I'm gonna head to the quick selection tool, and Photoshop has made this so easy. When you hit select subject, it's gonna do all the hard work for you. I can just scan around the edge and make sure that everything's been selected, and I can see, oh, we missed a little area right here, so just grabbing that and filling that in. Now that I like how the edges are, I can go Command C, Command V. That's gonna copy and paste, and I now have a new layer here that I can label Megan. And notice that this is blank, so I'm gonna put the colors beneath it now. I head to the retouch layer. I'm going to add a blank layer above that. And now I need to decide which color. So I have a coaching color palette here. I really like all these colors for my brand. I'm going to select the eyedropper tool and just choose this teal color here. When I'm back to the image, I can now fill in this blank layer by going Edit, Fill, and I'm gonna select the color background that I just chose. But now I need a lighter color. The highlights are not really looking natural. I have too much light hitting the back of me, and it looks like I'm fake on the background. So we're gonna solve this with this really easy step. Back we go to the retouch layer. We're gonna add a blank layer above that, and this time we're gonna make sure that it's brighter. So we select our eyedropper tool again, and we pick from our colors a much brighter color, something like that. I'm gonna now edit and fill, and I can now do that new foreground color. And now all I need to do is I need to remove behind me, and this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm going to add a layer mask, and in this layer mask, I'm going to choose with a black brush to reveal what's behind it. So I can choose the brush tool, hit B for brush, and I'm just gonna select a nice soft brush, as big as possible, with 100% opacity, 100% flow, 100% smoothing, and then I'm simply going to pop the black behind. And now we can see that the lighter color is revealing through. It's just that easy. Join me in Rise to the Top. I'd love to see your examples there.